Sonu, you are looking amazing right now. What are you doing in terms of your fitness regimen? First of all, please.
You know, I think early morning runs at 3:34 in the morning. I've been doing for past 3 days. I was always looking forward coming to New York, and at Times Square when you run at 4 a.m. in the morning with empty roads, that's the best part. Faridun, you have to try it. I know you're fit, but you have to try this. Ji, ji. I won't comment on who is going to be the lady, but we are almost on the final stages of locking the script, and hopefully when I go back to India, you know, if wishes were horses, beggars would ride, I would say, you know. But just like I said, you know, as a true producer to my profession, I've been working really hard on the script. So I'm definitely going to approach all the actors I feel who actually truly deserve to be part of it, and whoever can justify the role, I'm sure, you know, you'll see them on screen. I have to hear the final script, but yeah, hopefully yes. I'm sorry? Sorry? I think I just want to work hard. You know, results are in no one's hand. So, but this is something new to my life. I've learned my lessons. I'm still learning a lot, but I'm sure, you know, as long as you're true to your profession as a producer, the film looks good. Yeah, Punjabi film, I've already okayed a script as a producer, which I'm not acting but someone else. We are talking to. But like I said, you know, I want to produce film in all the languages because I've worked in all the languages. So hopefully, I know this is a dream of a boy who came from a very small town, but yeah, miles to go. The journey is on.
Could you please briefly talk about your diet pattern? What's your diet like?
फरीदुन, हमारे प्रोफेशन में बोला जाता है कि यू नो रोटी कमाने के लिए भूखा रहना पड़ता है, यू नो वही है, यू नो तो भूखा रहना पड़ता है, यू नो सुबह दौड़ना पड़ता है. बट आई वुड से आई एम ए वेजिटेरियन, आई ईट वेरी हेल्दी, आई डोंट चीट, देयर नो चीट डेज. बट बोलते हैं कि एक फिल्म के लिए अगर आपने 6 पैक्स बनाए या यू नो फिट हुए, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट हैज़ टू बी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. लाइक it has to come automatically when you get up in the morning and you brush your teeth. So it's like that, you know. I get up in the morning, I have to run, go to the gym, do that thing. So I think that makes me.
How many portions you have in terms of how many times do you eat in a day, maybe, or if you can tell us what you eat? 5
to 6 times, but all healthy. I don't eat junk food.
What all do you eat?
I'm more on salads. Egg whites I have something, but I don't eat bread or rotis or dal. Sometimes I have it being a Punjabi, but like I said, I stay away from oil. Thank you so much for the ji. Of course, PV Sindhu has to be there in the film. She will be there. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.